Here, question number 2. Using truth table, prove the following logical equivalence. Logical equivalence in that any one statement pattern is equivalence. Equivalence, these three lines, that is equivalence. Another statement pattern. When it is logical equivalence, these two column entries are same, then it is logical equivalence. Then check out here negation of P and Q. Here again P or Q and negation of P. Then make the columns P, Q, negation of P, number of columns. In previous lecture also studied how to create number of columns and rows. Then take true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false, false, true, this one, false, false, then true, true. Here negation of P and negation of Q. Negation of P and Q. This one column. Second and third. Whenever both statements are true, then it is true. Remaining statements are false. P or Q. P or Q. What is that P or Q? Both statements are false, then it is false, and remaining are true. Here comes P or Q and negation of P and negation of P. Column number 3. Negation of P is where? Column number 3 and column number 5. These two columns prepared. Using the connectivity and. What is that and? Both statements are true, then it is true. Remaining statements are false. Check out. Negation of suppose P or Q true and negation of P false, then it is false. Again, second statement true, false, also false. Both statements are true, then it is true. And one false, one true, again false. What is the question? Prepare or prove the following logical equivalence. Check out here. Where is negation of P and Q? Column number 4. Check here. Column number 4. And this one statement, column number 6. Check out the entries. False, false, true, false. False, false, true, false. These two columns are same. Then how to write? Here. The entries in the column number 4 and 6 are identical. Column number 4 and 6 are identical. Therefore, this one, negation of P and Q is equivalence. P or Q and negation of P. This is your final answer. Whenever asked for 3 marks, 2 marks for this particular table and 1 mark for this statement. ऐसे भी एग्जाम में जब स्कीम ऑफ मार्किंग होता है, ये अगर सेंटेंस नहीं लिखा है तो 1 मार्क कट होता है. इसलिए आपको ये सेंटेंस आखिरी में लिखना जरूरी है. बिकॉज यू कैन प्रूव दैट. व्हाट इज द प्रूफ ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट इज कॉलम नंबर 4 and 6 are identical. Here these entries are identical, then it is equivalence. Got it? Try to understand. And again, take one more example. You can that particular concept is clear. Take care. Then prepare number of columns and number of rows. Whenever you create number of columns and number of rows, at that time you can find out number of statements and number of connectivities. P, then Q. Two statements are there. After that, negation of P. Check out the connectivities. Then P or Q, then negation of P or Q, after that negation of P, negation of P and Q. Put here column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, last one column, negation of P or Q, or negation of P and Q. Negation of P and Q. See here. What is that? Negation of P or Q or negation of P and Q. This statement is equivalent to negation of P. What is the concept here? Negation of P and this one. These two columns entries are same. Then and then it is logical equivalence. Check out. Again write true, true, false, false. Then first statement true, second statement false. Then negation of P, false, false, true, true. P or Q. P और Q क्या है concept? P और Q. P or Q. और का क्या रूल है? Both statements are false, then it is false. Remaining statements are true. Then negation of P or Q. Negation of this. False, 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 true. Then negation of P and Q. Negation of P and Q. Negation of P and Q. Here is negation of P, column number 3, and Q, these two columns, column number 3rd and column number 2nd. Prepare that. Negation of P and Q. Negation of P, here false. Q statement also true. Then what is the rule of AND? Both statements are true, then it is true. Remaining statements are false. Then false true, again false. False false, false. Then true true, then it is true. And true false, false. Then here negation of P or Q and negation of P and Q. Using these two tables, you can prepare here truth table. This one, where is column number 5th, and this one column number 6. You can prepare column number. Then tell me, what is that concept? and is there, and rule क्या है, prepare. These two column number 5 and 6, both statements are false, then it is false, then it is also false. Then what is the concept of this? Negation of P or Q and negation of P and Q. Here connectivity of both statements. Here first statement is true, second statement false, and first statement true, second statement false, then it is true. Both statements are false, then it is false. Okay. See here, which entries are equal? Check out whether this particular condition or logical equivalence is there or not. See here, negation of P. What is that entries? False, false, true, true. Okay. Negation of P. First condition is okay. Then equivalence to. What is the statement pattern? Negation of P and Q or negation of P and Q. Check out. False, false, true, true. Means what? Column number 3rd and 7. Check out. All entries are in that particular column. 3 and 7 entries are same. Then prove that negation of P or Q or negation of P and Q logical equivalence to negation of P. Hence, then write the statement here. Write the entries in column number 3 and 7 are identical. Therefore, then write the whole statement. Negation of P or Q or negation of P and Q are logical equivalence to negation of P. This is your answer. Take another example. Example third number example. P double implies means biconditional. Q. P biconditional. Q equivalence to negation of P or Q and negation of P and Q. Using these two statements, check out whether it is equivalence or not. And here, make number of columns P, Q, then P into double implies Q, P or Q, one by one. Take first bracket, second bracket, then negation of this particular second bracket, then complete statement for this bracket, two brackets. After that, this left hand side, all complete statements. Then check out. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns are there. Then this is basic concept. You can write. देखो सिंपल स्टेटमेंट है, नंबर ऑफ एंट्रीज, नंबर ऑफ केसेस कितने हैं, ये बहुत इजी है। जब एक्चुअली अपना लॉजिकल कहां पे स्टार्ट होता है, whenever use the logical connectives in that connectives के अंदर, लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स के अंदर अपना मेन कंसेप्ट है। देखो P biconditional Q, what is the rule of this biconditional? If and only if and only if का रूल क्या है? एक तो दोनों स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होना चाहिए और दोनों स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स होना चाहिए। एक ट्रू और एक फॉल्स है तो फॉल्स होता है। हियर P double implies Q, then it is true. This one false, this one false. Again, दोनों false है यहाँ पे, तो also true. Getting? P और Q का रूल क्या है? और both statements are false, then it is false. Remaining are true. P and Q, both statements are true, then it is true. Remaining false. Negation of P and Q. Negation of P and Q. यहाँ पे P and Q यहाँ पे कॉलम इसका negation false, true, true. Here P or Q, column number 4, and negation of P and Q, column number 6. Here, column number 4 and column number 6. Check out. What is the connectives? And rule is what? Both statements are true, then it is true, remaining are false. Here, first statement is true, second statement is false, then it is false. Both statements are true, then it is true. Again, true, again, false. Next one. Negation of this particular column number 7. Negation of this particular column number 7. What is that? See, here, column number 7. False, then it is true. True, it is false. Again true, it is false. Again false, it is true. True, false, false, true. What is the question? P implies Q. Double implies Q. Where is? In column number 3. Check out. What are the entries in P biconditional Q? Entries are true, false, false, true. Is equivalence to this statement. Where is this statement? Column number 8. Check the entries. True, false, false, true. Column number 8 and column number 3. True, false, false, true. These entries are same or identical. Then it is called logical equivalence. And write the answer. The entries in the column number 3 and 7, 3 and 8 are identical. Therefore, then write the complete statement. Is equivalence negation of that particular P or Q and negation of P and Q. देखो पूरा चैप्टर मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक फर्स्ट चैप्टर पूरा ट्रू फॉल्स पे ये केसेस के ऊपर ही डिपेंड है बिकॉज दिस इज अ लॉजिकल ट्रूथ. टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. Here how many cases that can be prepared? P implies Q implies P, equivalence to negation of P implies Q. Then check out. Number of columns are created. How many columns? 7 columns. Then prepare true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. Q implies P. Here is the column Q. Implies P. What is the rule of this particular conditional statement? If first statement is true and second statement is false, then it is false, remaining are true. Here, check out. First statement true, Q is true, P is true, then it is what? True. First statement Q is false, second statement is true, then it is true. First statement is true, second statement is false, then it is false, then it is true. Next, P implies Q implies P. This one, column number first and column number third. Check out. Both statements are true. Okay, it is true. Both statements are true. Then it is also true. Both statements are false. Then it is true. First statement is false. Second statement is false. Then it is true. Getting or not? This is very important. Then negation of P. False. Negation of P. False. False. True. True. P implies Q. This one. True. False. True. True. Then negation of P. Here is negation of P. Column number 5 implies P implies Q. Here, this one, column number 5 and 6. Check out conditional. First statement false, second statement true. Yes, it is true. Both statements are false, also true. Both statements are true, then it is true. What is that? Check out. Logical equivalence. What you would prove that? Here. P implies Q implies P. Where is column number 4? This one. This one column. And negation of P implies Q. Where is column number 7? Check out entries. True, 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 true. All entries are true. Here, both columns. Then it is called logical equivalence, right? The entries in the column number 4 and 7 are identical. Therefore, write the complete statement. P implies Q implies P is equivalence. The negation of P implies P implies Q. This is the final answer. The remaining examples next lecture.